In this video, you'll learn how to transfer your Udemy credits to your bank account. This process involves checking your earnings, setting up a payment method, and understanding how monthly payouts work. Begin by logging into your Udemy instructor account. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the section labeled Instructor Revenue Report. This section displays your earnings from courses you have taught. It is essential to check this regularly to ensure you are aware of your total earnings before proceeding with any transfers. Next, you need to connect a payment method to facilitate the transfer of your earnings. Navigate to the Instructor Payment Settings area in your account. Here you will find options to set up payout methods such as PayPal or Payoneer. Select your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to enter the necessary information. Make sure all details are accurate to avoid any issues with future payments. After successfully setting up your payment method, it is important to understand how Udemy handles payouts. Each month, Udemy automatically processes and sends your earnings to the payment method you have selected. This automated process ensures that you receive your funds without needing to take additional steps each month. Once the funds are deposited into your PayPal or Payoneer account, you will need to transfer them to your bank account, log into your PayPal or Payoneer account, and locate the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Be aware that the transfer time may vary based on your bank's processing times and any applicable fees that may be deducted during the transfer. Finally, keep in mind that if you are transferring large amounts, it may take longer for the funds to appear in your bank account. Additionally, ensure that your PayPal or Payoneer accounts have sufficient balance to cover any transfer fees that might apply. Regularly check your account balances and the status of your transfers to ensure everything is processed smoothly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.